Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Turtley Awesome stamp set and thin cut bundle and the, I assume, Turtley Awesome, no, Turtley Cute 12 by 12 DSP. So these are a bunch of little images of turtles doing outdoor things, picnic things, beach things, birthday things, and then this fun little cut apart page. And on the back side is a little less turtly, so that's nice to know. But for the card workshop that I'm working on this time, I featured these cut apart pages and all these papers that when you cut apart the images. Some of the images, not the beach ones per se, and not the musical ones per se, not the outdoor bird watching ones, but once you start getting into the picnic one, this die cut in the die cut set fits this guy, and these birds in the picnic set fit these birds, and the ice cream fits one of the die cuts. And then you get into the birthday, and my goodness, the birthday definitely fits the die cuts. So here is all my die cuts. On the birthday one, you can cut out the balloons, the party hats, the ice cream cones, the two different positions. So there's a total of three die cut guys. One laying on the ground, who I think was in the picnic. Yeah, he's in the picnic. And then a dancing guy and a balloon holding guy. So those three are the die cuts, and they are findable in the pages. So that was fun. And then when you cut apart the pages of the cut apart page, you have an instant scene. So I only use the messages from the stamp set and the images from the die cut shape, the shapes that I die cut or trimmed out of the papers in order to create these cute little cards. So this card kit makes 4.25 by 6.25 cards. And then also makes a bunch of these adorable little cards. So these use some of the other cut apart pieces, and it uses some more of the images just to make these. Now these are too small of a card to mail, but they can easily be tucked into a travel bag, into a lunch, into a gift, anything else. So they're super cute. And we've got, dad for Father's Day. We've got some outdoor, we got some birthday. We just have a sweet friend message. We've got some turtles that are marrying. And this one could easily be a birthday. It could easily just be thinking about you. So super cute little card set that really didn't take too long. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.